In this tutorial, we're going to look at how we can get data from the keyboard into our program. So I've got here in line 1 a string variable first name, and I've assigned it an empty string, the double quotes. I could also have just gone equals null, and that would do the same thing. But you see, I've got a sort of squiggly line underneath it. That's because I haven't really done anything with the value. First name isn't populated yet. So on line 4, after the prompt to the user telling them what it is they're supposed to type, we're just going to do a regular assignment statement. First name is assigned Console.ReadLine. So whatever the user types when they press enter, that's going to be assigned to first name. But you'll see now there's an even bigger squiggly line under Console.ReadLine. Well, this sort of orangey coloured line is more of an alert. Down here in the terminal, it does say problem, and it's got this issue of converting null literal or possible null value to non-nullable type. What? Look, what that really means is letting you know that it is possible that you're going to assign a null value to the first name variable. A null value is the absence of a value. It's not going to stop our program from running. It could potentially cause an issue further down the track, but at this basic stage, it's not really a problem at all. We could leave it like this and continue. Or we could go up to the variable declaration and put a question mark after the data type string. This is just alerting the compiler to the fact that potentially the user could be inputting a null value. They've pressed the enter key before they've typed anything, for example. And you're saying that's actually acceptable, that's okay at this stage. In another tutorial, we'll look at how we can actually use something called typecasting to deal with data that's not string data that's coming in from the keyboard.